Good morning, guys. Obviously, we're all trying to figure out how low is this market going to go. So that's what we're going to cover in this video here. I'm going to show you guys proof with on-chain metrics, blockchain metrics, actually what's happening with long and short trades right now. We're going to give you guys proof of, patterns that I'm seeing. And we're just going to dive right in. I think you guys are going to really like this video. I'm actually looking at this for my positions because I'm in this trade and I'll tell you guys where we're at. So currently we're sitting at 81 for 81 wins on this channel. We have never lost a crypto trade and we are doing fantastic. Last trade we ended up taking here, for those of you guys who didn't see this, was 14.64% on 50% of our position. And then we took another 8.13% on the other 50% of the position. And that was on EOS. So in the second half of this video, I will teach you guys how to get into all of our trades so you do not miss another entry and you guys will be able to trade with me over here, okay? But first, let's dive into the analysis. What in the world is going on with Ethereum, guys? We ended up dropping here. Let's dive in. We ended up breaking the ascending support line here. This is what I was watching very carefully. And I just felt in my gut that the word I was supposed to give you guys, last week, going into that week, was patience. Like, guys, this is going to sound weird to some of you, but whatever. I'm a Christian. Every single day before I get on these videos, I literally walk out on my patio in the backyard and I'm like, God, I ask you for wisdom and discernment so I can make good decisions. I'm not saying I hear correctly all the time. I'm not even going to be that guy. But what I'm saying is, like, I felt in my gut that we were just supposed to be patient and we weren't supposed to FOMO in. We had so many emails come in and be like, why aren't you guys getting in? We're just going to keep going. I had some people sending me analysis of how this is going to double before the end of the year. In my gut, I just felt like, you know what? This is not going to look like we're going to head up any further. And I'm so glad we were all patient for this. Now, there's plenty of proof I can show you guys where, long trades moving out and all that. But I just want to congratulate you guys for staying patient in this trade. There was a lot of pressure. A lot of people out there saying this was just going to keep going up. So I'm proud of you guys. That's why I say all I just said. Okay, let's get in here. The strongest level of structure support was this level right over here. It was $40,050. $4,050. It came from Bitcoin. Not that high yet. Wish it was. $4,050. We literally bounced exactly off of this point right here. If you guys can see this, if I move this down here, and I'm using this as a price range tool, we bounced right off here. That was the first target that I was looking at if you guys have been following the analysis. Now, the second target that I have not changed here is the 50% Fibonacci retracement, where I really do think we could start seeing this move down to this area, and that is smack dab right where our second buy limit is. This is such an amazing trade, guys. This Bitcoin trade and Ethereum trade, I really love, and it will probably be the two trades that push us up closer to 85 for 85 wins since we're at 81. I do think Solana could be actually a winner that could happen very quick if we see a pump back up here. But we ended up seeing the breakdown. We got into our first buy limit. Our second buy limit is here. Our third one and our fourth one's at the bottom. I'll show you guys how to get into the next trade because these are not the updated buy limits. They're new ones. I'll show you guys where to find that. Okay. This is where I'm expecting to possibly see Bitcoin head maybe by Friday. To be honest with you guys, if this happened over here within a matter of 48 hours, then yes, it is possible that we could head back down here to a 50% retracement, hit our second buy limit, and then we could actually move up very strong from here because this would actually end up giving us a very nice touch on the overall pattern that we're seeing here, which is an ascending channel pattern. We have this touchdown here, and we could do something like this where we could be seeing another really good move up before the end of the year. And it could actually correlate to the 50% retracement on the Fibonacci where we come to 50 and maybe possibly, this is going to be aggressive, guys, but we could possibly hit a 1.6 by the end of the year at about $6,200 by the end of the year. That is possible with this pattern. It is played out before in the past. Let me show this to you guys over here. If you guys look at this, this is played out pretty well. Not exactly, but it's played out pretty well where we ended up seeing this start of the trend, the break, a perfect retest of 50%, and then we started to get up close there. Even if we don't hit all the way to 1.6, what I'm saying is I do think it is possible we could see another bull run in Bitcoin, even if we head down here a little bit further, to maybe push to the ascending resistance up here, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum would probably push us to about 51, and now I'll cover Bitcoin on the other video. But I do think about 5,100, 5,200 is possible before Christmas. But definitely watch this area down here where we could end up hitting, for Ethereum here. I think the buy limit's a great spot. I would say right around here at $3,700 before, maybe Monday of this coming week. Obviously it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday could be a potential. All right. Now, I want you guys to look over this for the indicators. Now, this is what we're going to be using to call the exit in the market because this is how we make our money, and this has been ridiculously accurate. If you guys take a look at the trend exhaustion and the well money flow, when this pushes up into higher sections, this is historically when we are seeing drops back down in Ethereum. I've shown this to you guys so many times. This called the drop over here, price couldn't head up any further. This called the drop up here, and then we really ended up tanking back down, and we haven't gotten back up into the top right section until right about here, where we ended up overextending ourselves, and then we ended up seeing the drop. Previous times before that, this is where this drop was called. It called this drop right here as well, and it called this drop over here, which was kind of a really pump fake out candle, which we're calling a bull trap over there on this channel. This right here was called for the move back down. Why we moved in the top red section. Well money flow is high as well. Well money flow is high. You guys are seeing this right here. Even back here, guys, when we pushed up into the top red section, this couldn't help but at least take a pit stop and move back down before it started moving back up. This is why we're using these two indicators to call exits and look for very good moves of where the market is potentially bottoming out and maybe looking for a reversal. And I do think that is possibly where we're at right now, and we could start seeing this move back up. Take a look at what's happened last times. We were down in the bottom red section. This is where we were at. We saw a very nice pump back up here. We saw this actually push us into the entire uptrend that we were currently in, and then we also see this down here calling this move before we see a move back up, and then this move over here, guys, was clearly calling a bottom before we see a move back up. These are very nice percentage moves in the market. That is all we're looking for in order to push this back up, get us into some profits, and we're going to be taking a win here on this trade. I'm looking on this trade here for about, I was going to say 5 to 6%, and it's probably pretty close to where I'm looking at, is a retest, basically a break here and a possible retest of this ascending resistance now, which is about 7 to 8%. This will, again, just be another one of our winning trades. And if it goes down, get even more excited for Ethereum because we're going to get more money in the market, and our break-even entry, guys, is not going to stay up here. Our break-even entry is actually going to move down here between the first and second buy limit, and then once that happens, you're going to have even more money in the market to get into the profit once you guys are in the profit to take that money home. This is such a good strategy to be trading. Do not miss out on the indicators. These are what's on Black Friday sale. I'll show that to you guys in a second. Let's go over the Ethereum metrics right now. We are pushing down into the anxious section, and this is absolutely what I want to see because we are now in long trades. When the market is anxious, guys, wells, institutions, and smart money come in here and they buy this thing up. Watch this. This was something I was watching very strongly over here, and I put it out in Telegram over the weekend. I was like, hey, heads up, guys. I normally don't do updates over the weekend like this, but Ethereum long trades are completely dropped out while shorts increased. This is what I was referring to over here. Short trades ended up moving up here even stronger, and long trades just dropped out. It's basically like they were like, okay, we're giving up. We're getting the heck out of the way because we don't think this is going to go up any further. When you see shorts increase and you see no competition from long trades and long trades drop out, this is usually a very strong sign that they are going to give up and they're just going to let the price drop. Another way of saying this is longs are just going to give the trade to the shorts. That's how you can say it. Because if you take all your longs out of the market and you have shorts and you keep seeing the short pressure take over, the price cannot help itself from dropping back down. Okay, but watch this. It gets better. So if you guys see this down here, we are now pushing into the good long trade, great long trade section. We've been up in this good short trade section for a while, and this is where we're looking at this drop, and we did end up getting this drop back down. Whales, institutions, and smart money are doing exactly what we are doing, or you can say we're doing exactly what whales and institutions and smart money are doing. They are acquiring this dip right now hard, okay? This is exactly what we're doing. I am in this trade myself with 31,000, not all 31,000, but I'll show this to you guys here with my filled positions. Like I'm in Ethereum, like I obviously in ADA, EOS, but then got into Ethereum. Sorry, let me update this. This will show you guys that I actually got in here because I want to show this to you guys, make it transparent. Give it a second. We are loading. Hamsters are running. We ended up getting into, where are we at? Sorry, guys. Give me 1 second here. We have open trades here at 3696. Let me see if this got picked up here. 4350. And then we're over here looking at this trade. Let's see what the field trades are. Sorry. EOS 88. Where is the Ethereum? 4350. Is that it? This might have been it. I might have just taken a ridiculous amount of... Yeah, I've just taken a ridiculous amount of trades since this actually came out. I'm sorry, guys. I was getting nervous here for a while. Didn't think it actually went through. But no, we were definitely in this trade. Ethereum's just back over here. That's right, because we ended up winning an ADA trade. We got back into the ADA. We took two wins on EOS, and then or 2 exits on EOS, and then we bought back in for EOS. So yes, sorry guys. I was getting a little nervous right there. $4,350. Yes, I'm in this trade over here for Ethereum. 4,350, 4,350. Great. Okay, I'm glad I'm in this trade. I'm like, whew, got nervous here for a second. Okay, looking at the well institutional smart money, we're all in this trade that we can officially confirm now. So getting into this trade, guys, we're seeing that wells and institutions are buying this dip like crazy. That's what we're doing. I would not be selling this right now, to be honest. I'd be buying this thing up. Okay, give me 2 more minutes and I'll show you guys how to get into our next trades so you do not miss another win that we take. $4,030. Have we gotten close? Well, we are very close, guys. That's pretty much where we came down to on this for Ethereum. $4,030 puts us right basically where the candle wick ended up pushing down at the bottom here. Very close, about 4,050. And then we started moving back up. Great level of structure support, and we could be moving up from here. Okay. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys have put money into the market, this is not I updated these so you see more than normal, but we had one over here normally. This is just going to give you guys great entries for those of you who just want to hold and be diamond hand holders. If you want to just hold in the market for like 10 to 20 years and you want to throw $1,000 in every time you get a green line, like these are great entries. They're not going to be at the perfect bottom all the time. Like no one can time that. But what they are going to do is they're going to give you guys a strategy where I can guarantee you guys, you're not going to enter in at the top of the market. That's what we're using this indicator over here for, is to look for the tops of exit points. But if you guys want to throw money in the market, hold for 5 to 10 years, long play, that's awesome. You guys can definitely use that. Now, exit points in the market here, guys, this was saying, hey, heads up, we're a little bit overextended. We could see it move back down, and we ended up getting a move back down. I'm not looking for this to call massive drops in the market immediately. This is for us to look to exit some profits once we're in long trades for good trade exits, okay? Now, let's get into over to the fun part of this video where I show you guys how to get over here and take the next trades. Now, it's $49 a month. You guys get access to all of our metrics, and you guys get access to all of the trade entries. That is the most important thing. I am going to be looking to up this price this coming year. I have a lot of things planned for us. You guys are going to love it. This price, in order to do that, for me to hire on more employees, I need to be upping this price or find another way to make more money. This is probably where I'm going to do it. I'll let you guys know there, because we need to hire on more people because we're exploding right now. Now, come over here to live trades. The live trades are where you guys want to hang out. Like, this is where we make all of our dough. This is where we're making all of our money over here, okay? All 81 for 81 wins have been originated, and those trades have been called out right here on the channel, okay? Here's what you guys are going to do, and you're going to follow me here. Click into any of these coins here because the exact process is the exact same. And I'll go over the Black Friday sale right after this because you guys literally only have like 13 days left, and that Black Friday sale is going away. It is the lowest you'll ever get our indicators, and you guys can mark my words. It will never be lower than that again. Maybe for Christmas, but that will be it, okay? Watch this. When you guys are in the market here, this is all you're going to do. You are simply going to take the trade amount that you want to trade the trade with. Let's just say this is $1,000 you want to trade with. You're going to split your trade allocation into 4 equal parts. So if we're using $1,000, for example, 250 is what we're going to use. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update to say 11:17. This is hard-coded into the actual exchange charts, so this cannot be manipulated. Literally, when this says 11:17, these are the official buy limits for today, November 17th. What I want you guys to do is make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits. Your first buy limit is going to go at this price right here. Second buy limit here, third buy limit, fourth buy limit. Again, if you have $1,000, you're just simply going to put in $250 at each level. If you have $4,000, well, how much at each level, guys? $1,000. Great. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys want to come in here and set up your sell limit up here into your exchange. Once that is set up, you guys want to make sure, for sure, you guys are following me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with our indicators. Log into Telegram first on your phone or your computer, and then you guys need to click this. It will give you a hot link, and it will allow you to join me in the Telegram channel over here where I'm calling exits, and you guys will be able to see the profits over here. Now, the indicators are going to be used in every single one of these analysis for YouTube, as well as the calls for exits to take profit. These indicators are very important that you have them, and this is how we call the tops and the bottoms of these markets. You guys want the price versus the well money flow. You want the trend dashboard and the trend exhaustion at minimum. I've shown you guys the pressure gauge, and I've actually had people email me, maybe I'll go over this in another video, of Dogecoin, how the pressure gauge called an incredible drop on Dogecoin, and people were doing very, very well in that trade, okay? I don't want to get us confused here. I want to keep us just focused here. the main indicators you guys need to trade along with me here for this strategy to exit is the price versus well money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. Now, these three indicators, literally the bundle pack is like a few more bucks and you get all three of the indicators you see right here that I use, as well as 6 more indicators. Now, the bundle pack, guys, is 83% off. You're going to pay 58 to 60% off these indicators right here. 83% off all these. I'm also going to update the bundle pack $50. It's going to increase $50 at the end of the month, as well as I'm going to be upping the price for the well money flow as well as the trend exhaustion. Those prices are going to be going up moving into the next year, Q1. Okay. So everything's going to keep going up. So get all your indicators now as we move into next year, because we're going to try to do 200 for 200 winning trades in in the year of 2022. The goal is to hit 90 for 90 and maybe 100 for 100 by the end of this year. But next year is going to be ridiculous for things we have planned. We're going to be using these indicators, so don't miss this. The bundle pack is where you guys want to get this. Get it today. You guys will click this link. It will take you guys to the checkout. You guys, all you need to do is enter in the code Black Friday. It doesn't matter if you capitalize the B or the F, or you want to capitalize all of it for fun because you like doing that. It is just Black Friday. That will give you guys 83% off all of our indicators. Get them set up. You guys get the source codes to all of our indicators. So if I ever go out of business for whatever reason, you guys get the indicators for life. All right, so make sure you guys are set up with the indicators. Watch this closely, and I highly suggest you guys getting into your buy limits today. Set up your buy limits by having the membership over here, and then coming over here to the live trades and getting into Ethereum, get into Doge, get into Cardano. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not, trying to tell you guys you have to do this. I'm just giving you guys my personal experience of what I've done. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm trading with you guys, and we have never lost a single trade over here. And if you guys want just some proof from other people, come over here to the profits. Now, I removed some of their names to protect their privacy, but every single one of these are true emails and testimonials we've received from traders, even on YouTube. Hey, thanks for the update, man. Made $4,000 this morning alone. This guy made $2,000 subscribing to our channel for the monthly membership. This guy over here, thanks again so much. I'm keeping a trading log now. I have about doubled my account, $4,000. You have made trading fun again for me. This is the only channel where I can actually make money. This is the best advice you can receive. Here's the thing. I don't want to turn this into like an info commercial. What I do to show you guys these is to show you confidence. I had this guy I was coaching yesterday. He's like, Travis, there are so many people trying to throw scams out there and just trying to make a quick buck by selling courses on crypto online that I don't know who to trust anymore. And I'm like, look, I understand that. The reason why I think you guys should, and I want you to take my word for this. You guys can see the testimonials I have in here. I'm not photoshopping these. God, crash my business if I'm photoshopping any of these and I'm being a liar, okay? Seriously, I want that to happen because that would just be ridiculous if I was going to lie to you guys like that. Go ahead. I want my business to crash if I have ever lied on any testimonial I've put in here, okay? I have not. I've screenshotted every single one of these from emails and also on YouTube. The point being is I want you guys to see and trust me on this. Every single trade we've taken, we have won, honestly, over here. It's actually not hard to believe once you guys understand the risk management. But on top of that, I'm putting $32,000 of my own money in here, and I'm trading with you guys. I'm not like a guy on here that's here's indicators. They work great. Go buy them. I'm not using them myself. I am in the trenches with you guys every day answering over 150 emails, and I love you guys so much, and I am having a blast. So anyways, I don't know if anyone needed to hear that out there, but I appreciated the guy I coached yesterday. He's like, Travis, thanks for being honest and transparent. That is what I just wanted to, take 30 seconds, 60 seconds maybe there to share with you guys. So God bless you so much, guys. We are in this long trade. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm currently in this trade, as we found out. Thankfully, we're actually in this trade. And I was able to get snagged in here, as you guys saw over here. I'm a little nervous there in this video. But make sure you guys are getting the indicators. Make sure you guys get the membership set up for that, because I am looking to raise the price of that. The indicators are going up for sure. There's no doubt about that. They're going up at the end of the month. And then I'm also going to increase it $50. So make sure you guys do snag that. Follow me on the next videos. Get in the Telegram channel, set your buy limits up. It's so simple. Follow me on these trades, guys, and I think we can do 85, if not maybe 90 for 90 trades by the end of the year. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Have a good one, and get into these trades now with us. Bye-bye, guys.